Now I will delete this thing and start all over again. So now, can we continue? So I'm deleting this. So after you have done the setting, then you set up your page. Then you type autobiography, autobiography. I'm recording it already. Autobiography. So when you start autobiography, press enter key twice. 1, 2. Autobiography. Then type on my. Then press enter key once. Press enter key once. Then say personal life. Then press enter key twice. Then type experience in capital letter. Experience on my personal life experience. Now press enter key twice. Now say this.
It will not be on a straight line.
No, yes. Remember we have 4 features of word processing: typesetting, setting, editing, and formatting. So you follow 4 typeset. See your timer. You first of all what? Typeset. So when you have typeset, then you now what? Set. So when you have now set, then you now edit. Then after editing, you now do the final moderation formatting.
So this one
It's typesetting. Yes, we are typing. So now let's say this is this is this project or this is compiled. This is compiled or this book. Let's do it this way. Let's say this book is compiled by your name. So put your name. So I'm putting my name like this, Charles Adewale. Then enter key once again. Then I say as a project in stage 1 class. As a project in stage 1 class at ZEALTECH Academy. Now we are done. So now we are done typing. This is only the information we need for this front page. This is the information we need. Yeah.
Let's
Okay.
start from the beginning.
Okay.
The first step
Is to click on page layout.
layout.
So when you click on page layout, click on size.
Size.
When you choose size, choose page A4. It only it only give you this size. So it's not affecting anything inside. It's only give you this size. Then yes, then come to margin, choose narrow, then start typing. Just normal way we are typing. Start typing. Then when you now finish typing like this, then we now need to set it. So what's our set now? Our set is to bring all this one to the center. Just come to home. You know I highlight now. I have to highlight before anything I do can apply. So come to home, then click on center here. So it will be at the center. So this one now, I need it to be at the right. So come select it, then come and choose right here. It will be at the right. See it here. See my mouse. See my mouse. This is left, center, right. Just
I thought this one used to be here.
No, it depends on what you want to do. What we are doing now, that is how it's going to look like. Yes or no? It depends on what you want to do. You get me now? Like that other one that I show you now, that paper, that book that I show you. The front page, everything is at the center like this. It depends on what you want to do. This one now, we want to make sure that picture is one side. Do you understand now? Alright, so now what do you do? Select everything like this and give it 72 size. The size 72. So it will be like this. So now if it's underlining like this, what do you need to do? Right click on it and choose the correct one. You get me now? So right click and choose the correct one. It's correct, but just that initial letter were not capital letter.
Right.
Okay, I will have to undo. So see, it's underlined now. This letter is not capital letter. Then this letter is not capital letter. So it has to be capital letter. That is why because it's not capital letter, that's why it's underlining it. So now to make it capital letter now, I will just right click on it, and I'll choose the correct one, which is capital letter, which
So I
the
click
A.
first.
Yeah,
Oh, I thought it was this.
this is
Yeah,
right
this.
clicking.
See, what is it called? Yeah.
You can do it that way too, but you don't need to travel that way when you're already on the page. You saw now,
Okay.
and you know, see the stress. I will have to highlight. I have to highlight before I will now go there. Before I now go there, before I now, but for me to travel down here and come back, I've already done right click and done. You saw now, and fast, and I've done what I want to do. So that other place too is also another way. It's also another way. But what you want to do once it's not much, it's just a little thing that you can just, you know, you don't need to travel far away. So now another thing is here now. Here I need to increase it. So I will select it, I will highlight it, and I'll come to font name, font size, then I choose the font size. So I want it to be like this. That is 16. Then I want this one to be like 20. I'll be 20. Then the name. I'm going to choose 20 or 24. 24. See that now. So that's my setting. Now let's now that's it. Let's now we have edited. This is part of editing. Look at this side. This book is, you see, is not correct. It's part of editing. I'm right clicking, I'm choosing the correct one. So I've edited it. Change. So now Adewale is a Yoruba name. So I will say you should ignore because it wants to give me another name, English word for it. I will say ignore. So it has ignored it. Cheers on that now. So all what I want to do is this. So now this one I want it to be, I need to now start formatting it. Formatting means begin to apply color, font size, font name, and so on. Yeah. Now this one I
So
want it.
why not I practicalize this one first?
Let me finish it, then you now practicalize it. Because it will balance. You know, this
Oh yeah.
just
Oh
this
yeah.
just little of what you're able to do. So that
Okay.
this is just a paper and a page. When I finish this one now, you practice this, and that's why I'm doing the video. Because I swear, you're watching the video and be practicing it. Everything I'm saying now will be repeated in the video.
Yeah.
Do you understand? Everything I'm saying, even as what it's talking now, is recording everything. Everything was need to be repeated. So you follow it and follow it all over again. Now, I need to know, I said we have done, now, this document now, we've done typesetting, we've done setting, we've done editing, it now remains formatting. Remember, what is formatting? Is the process of defining the outlooks of the document. Now, we want to beautify it now. So now, to do that, highlight this one. When you highlight, come here, say bold, shortcut Control B. Come here, say italics, shortcut Control I. Then come and give a color. So I'll give a color red.
You did not go through that shielding process.
No. That one is for border. That one is for border. But it's because we insert border. So its own function is different. Its own procedure to apply that shading and border and shading is different. So this one now you are working on the document on the page itself.
Okay, so where did you?
Now, as I selected it, eh, under home, we are home like this. So under home, all the properties of home appear. So I go to B to bold it. I go to I to italicize. And now go to font color here to apply color. If I click on this arrow beside the color, you see many other color you can use. This one now. So but I chose red out of them. So now let's now go for this one now. This personal is not correct. Let's edit it. Right click and choose personal. Now it's correct. So now let's give it font name. I'm going to come here. This is font name. This is font name. No, I'm not even giving it bold. So its own effect is going to be different from the other one. So it's not necessary you apply the same effect to all of them. So now I'm coming to font name. Under font name, I choose something like this nature. You see, what is the name? Betant. Betant table. Beta temple. That is the name of the font name. What is the font? What is the font name? What is the font name? Calibri. You see, Calibri. That is his font name. But what is this font name? Bet Notable. Now. So now we are done doing that. So now let's now do this one. This one is supposed to be area black. Select it. Go and apply area black. Font name area black. So to make it bold. Can you see that? Okay. So
I do not get this one.
okay, now get this one. Undo. See the font name. The font name is Calibri. But we don't want Calibri. We also want to design it. We want to make it beautiful, not just to type, not just to look hot. It should not look hot. It should look attractive. So that is why we are putting more initiatives. That's why we are putting more initiatives. We are putting creativity. To your now. So through our creativity now, we like to that this one, let's change the font name. So we're changing the font name to area black. Go to your font name. If you want to change font name, you always come to font name here and change and choose your choice font name. But what I'm choosing here now is area black. So I have this area black. So now another thing is, see, it has come to this page, the second page, and I want you to fit 2 pages cannot be front page now. It's only 1 page that will be a front page. So I don't want it to come down. So it means the line in between is too much. It means all these lines are too much. So what do? Press Ctrl A. Ctrl A will highlight up. So you know. Ctrl A will highlight up. Highlight everything. So now come to space. Under line spacing. Say remove space after paragraph. It will remove the space after paragraph. Then now come down now. See, everything has entered. Don't worry, you watch the video. I purposely did the video for you. You'll be impressed when you see the video. Yeah. You'll be impressed. So, because it will be as if I'm still sitting with you, teaching you all over and all over again. See yourself now. Alright. So now you see our page is set, but we still need to make it more beautiful. So what do? You see, go and go to what's it called? Insert. No, let's go to layout or design. Design. Okay, it's in a design. So we go to design. Go to page color. Page color. Choose your choice color. Yes, I know. Choose your choice color. So I'm choosing any other color or this color. Now go to page border. Now I've clicked on page border. This dialog box appear. As this dialog box appear now, I click on box. I click on box. Then I choose the color for the border. I want to choose dark red. Then I want the width to be thicker. And I'm choosing like 6 points. Then I can now click on OK. See the border. You see? Yeah? So, okay, I don't want it to be too much for you. Let me just apply color here and put picture here. We are done. So let it not be too much for you. Because the more I go, the more you are forgetting the previous ones, Abby. So now, you see these ones, you can now begin to apply different colors. Experience. Let me apply another color to experience. I can now just come here. Then I can just come here and choose another color. So I can come here and choose another color. Choose another color. Then N, I come here and choose another color. Let me choose pure yellow. Then C, I come here and choose another color. So I'm just teaching you that you can apply different color to all of them up. Different color. And start now. So even though this one that is blah blah blah, you can apply different color. Alright, so now let's go and insert picture. Let the picture of this person, the person that owns the book. This is the person that owns the book. Yeah. So I'm coding it Control I, Control B, Control B, Control I. So this is the name of the person that owns the book. So you want the picture of that person to appear here, so that it should be by the time you put it on there at the front of the book, they will see it as this is the name of the person that owns the book. So what do? Put your cursor there, click around there, then go to insert. That is the way to insert picture. Go to insert. So when you click on insert, click on picture. So when you click on picture, go and locate picture that you want to use. So the picture must have been there. Okay, let me use this one since it's my name. So click on insert. So when you click on insert, it is scatter. See, everything will scatter. See, that scattered everything. See. So the very first thing to do now, if your picture is like that, go to text wrap and say in front of text. So it will arrange it back. You see, it has arranged everything back. So what you need to do now is to reduce this picture. Reduce this picture. So reduce the picture. So then bring it to where, so that extract we said will make it to be movable. It will make it to be movable. Now we are done. So now we are done. Can you see that now? So that is it. Now let me show you the video now. So as we are done,